Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm starting a series of small balcony makeover, and this is the first episode of the series in which I'm going to show you all how you can decorate a small balcony. So the first DIY is jute rug. For this I took 6 jute strings, braided them up and secured it with Fevicol to the desired size. For the border of the rug, I used multicolored threads to make tassels out of them. You can comb it to detangle and get a smooth finish. For the second DIY, I have used plastic bottles to make planters. For the planters, cut the bottles in 2 parts with the help of scissors and paint them with poster colors. Your creativity can take the lead here. For the third DIY, I have used cardboard to cut out the shape of window and then paste the colored sheet. For the fourth DIY, I took a cardboard and cut out 6 arrows from it. I covered it up with colored sheets as you can see. You can now write whatever you wish to. When done, I joined it together with jute strings and tape. Lastly are these planters of black color which I bought from Amazon. I painted some of these with bright colors. So now come the fun part, let's get into action. You can see this shelf here below the window. I have used a thermocol for it. This is the final look. Thank you for watching guys. Hope you liked it. We'll soon meet with another fresh episode of the series. Stay tuned. Please do like, comment, subscribe and share.